right here in this corner is that discoloration. Doesn't happen anywhere else around the screen. And then if I touch the screen, I'm barely touching it, you see those little dots that keep flaring up? That's not normal. Now this stays constant. If I touch the screen, see how it pops up those little bubbles? That's not normal. See how it pops up at the top there? See how it pops up over to the side there? Barely touching the screen. So you can see just by touching the screen, same thing happens there. So I'm in sounds, and as you can see, it's not making any sounds. Ringtones, these should be, and you can see the dots there as well, these should be going off making noise, but they're not. And then you can see how the screen, the little dots are still there as well, showing up. Now it's more noticeable obviously when the image is still, but it's not something that should be happening. There's no you see the volume going up and down there, and there's no sound. There's no sound.